Assalamu alaikum. This is Yasser Ahmed and you are watching Arabic Voice, and this is Arabic for Beginners course. In this lesson we are going to study how to conjugate the verb in past tense with the pronouns. Last time we studied the main Arabic pronouns, so let's remember them again. أنا, I, نحن, we, أنت, you masculine, singular, أنتِ, you masculine, feminine, هو, he, هي, she. In Arabic, we just have 3 tenses, so it's easy. You just need to memorize the conjugation of the verb in past tense, in present tense, and in imperative, and that's it. And we have patterns, so you can apply the same rule almost on all the Arabic verbs. So let's start conjugation with this verb, the verb كتب. كتب means write, to write. And كتب is the infinitive form, which means something like he wrote. So this is the infinitive form in Arabic. We always use he something. He wrote, which is here in Arabic كتب. So let's start conjugation with this verb. أنا كتبت. كتبت. As you might notice, we kept the same body of the verb and we just added this extra ta. كتبت. I wrote. كتبت. So we always keep the same body and we add this extra letter, this suffix. So أنا كتبت. نحن كتبنا. أنت كتبت. أنتِ كتبتِ. هو كتب. هي كتبت. So this is how we conjugate the verb in past tense with the main pronouns. Let's practice this with another verb, which is أكل. أكل means to eat. أنا أكلت. Excellent. نحن أكلنا. أنت أكلت. أنتِ أكلتِ. هو أكل. هي أكلت. Let's take another last verb, which is قرأ. قرأ means to read. أنا قرأت. نحن قرأنا. أنت قرأت. أنتِ قرأتِ. هو قرأ. هي قرأت. So it's easy. Same patterns, same suffixes, and you apply it with almost each verb in Arabic. For your homework, please try to conjugate this verb with the pronouns and write this in the comments below. The verb is shariba. Shariba means to drink. Try to do this, and I see you next time. Stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.